So we got here a starter motor that's having some hiccups where it doesn't want to start the car, and when you tap it, it gets loose and works again. So let's open it up and see how we can fix it. We got all the parts cleaned up. The brushes still look great. So the only thing we need to do is re-grease some parts and put this back together. So let's start with this stator and get the brushes pushed aside so we can insert the rotor. I'm gonna use some cards to press them to the outside and then try to lock these springs. So now we got all the brushes away. Let's try to insert the rotor. But I got them in. Now our rotor sits in the stator housing. Let's put on the end cap. Oh, we have to first plug in this drain. Now we can place this over here. There we go. Already take these two screws. Now let's get this Bendix gear assembly back inside the housing. I already greased some points. It needs to go together with this lever. There we go. some grease. Next we can take our plate, it should be here with the notch line to this position, and now we can get this one on top. There we go, it's nice and lined up. Next take these long bolts and screw them down a bit. That's that, and now we can insert our solenoid. So now you want to push the wheel out so the lever comes out, and then insert it. Take your nuts and screw them down. Now we can connect this copper wire back again. And last we have our bracket. Now let's tighten down everything. Got the starter cables connected to the battery, so only thing left to do is test if the starter really works again. Now I got this little wire here. We'll be plugging it in this terminal just to check the solenoid first. Now let's connect our negative terminal to the frame. Take this wire, and normally the gear should pop out. Seems to be doing that. Now we can cross or bridge this terminal. Like so. And now let's see if both of them work at the same time. So spinning and the gear needs to pop out. There we go. We got our overhauled, cleaned up starter motor ready to be used again. If you have any questions left, leave them in the comments, else leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.